Welcome to Albania, the hidden gem of the Balkans. From pristine beaches along the Albanian Riviera to the breathtaking peaks of the Alps, this country is a paradise waiting to be explored. Nestled in the heart of the Balkans, Albania remains an undiscovered gem for many travelers. This small but mighty nation boasts a captivating blend of ancient history, vibrant culture, and breathtaking natural beauty. Get ready to uncover ancient castles, turquoise waters, and some of the most stunning landscapes in Europe. Albania offers a diverse tapestry of experiences. Discover its rich history, iconic landmarks, and hidden treasures. Bordered by Montenegro, Kosovo, North Macedonia, and Greece, Albania is a crossroads of cultures. Despite its past, Albania is a welcoming destination. Be amazed by the warmth of its people, the richness of its heritage, and the beauty of its landscapes. Discover ancient ruins, pristine beaches, and Albanian hospitality. Explore Tirana, the vibrant capital, and uncover hidden gems. Fasten your seatbelts for an unforgettable adventure. Albania has something for everyone. Let's explore this Balkan paradise. Albania's history is a captivating tale of ancient empires, fierce resistance, and cultural resilience. From the Illyrian tribes who once ruled these lands to the Roman, Byzantine, and Ottoman empires that followed, Albania has witnessed the rise and fall of civilizations. Each era has left its mark on the country's cultural fabric, creating a rich tapestry of traditions, languages, and beliefs. One of the most remarkable aspects of Albanian culture is the Besa Code of Honor, a sacred tradition passed down through generations. Besa, meaning faith or promise, emphasizes loyalty, hospitality, and the importance of keeping one's word. This deep-rooted sense of honor is reflected in the warm welcome extended to visitors, making Albania a truly hospitable destination. Music and dance play an integral role in Albanian culture, with traditional forms such as iso-polyphony recognized by UNESCO for their unique vocal harmonies. From the lively rhythms of folk dances to the haunting melodies of traditional songs, Albanian music is a testament to the country's rich artistic heritage. Albania's religious landscape is as diverse as its history, with a blend of Muslim, Orthodox, Christian, and Catholic communities coexisting harmoniously. This religious tolerance is a testament to the country's spirit of acceptance and its ability to embrace diversity. Throughout the year, Albania comes alive with vibrant festivals and cultural events that celebrate its heritage. Albania is a land of contrasts, where ancient ruins stand in the shadow of towering mountains. Pristine beaches beckon with crystal-clear waters. From Tirana to the UNESCO-listed cities of Berat and Gjirokastër, Albania offers must-see destinations. Skanderbeg Square, named after the national hero, is a bustling hub. Explore the historic Etham Bey Mosque, the Clock Tower, and the enigmatic pyramid. Visit the Bunkart museums, housed in former Cold War bunkers. In the evening, head to the Bloku district, now a trendy area filled with bars and cafes. Journey to Berat, the city of 1,000 windows, with stunning Ottoman-era architecture. Explore Berat Castle and the Mangalem and Gorica quarters. Continue to Gjirokastër, renowned for its fortress and Ottoman-era architecture. Explore the Gjirokastër fortress and the old bazaar streets. No trip to Albania is complete without experiencing the allure of the Albanian Riviera, the beach paradise. Relax on the pristine beaches of Ksamil, often compared to the Maldives or the Caribbean due to its crystal-clear waters and soft white sand. Explore Dermi, a picturesque village with long pebbly beaches and crystal-clear waters. See the Porto Palermo Castle, a scenic historic fortress. This triangular-shaped castle, built by Ali Pasha in the early 19th century, overlooks a beautiful bay, making it a great spot for photography. Before leaving the Albanian Riviera, make sure to explore underwater caves, marine life, and shipwrecks. The Albanian Riviera is truly a paradise for beach lovers and adventure seekers alike. Nestled in the Albanian Alps, also known as the Accursed Mountains, Theth and Valbona offer some of the most spectacular scenery in the Balkans. These remote, unspoiled destinations are perfect for nature lovers, hikers, and adventure seekers. Theth National Park, a remote alpine wonderland, is a protected area filled with dramatic peaks, lush valleys, and cascading waterfalls like the Theth Waterfall. See also the historic Lock-in Tower, Kula e Ngujimit, a unique relic of Albania's past blood feud traditions. Hike through Valbona Valley, the heart of the Albanian Alps. This stunning valley with towering peaks, alpine meadows, and crystal-clear rivers is ideal for hiking, with trails leading to breathtaking panoramic viewpoints. Albanian cuisine is a delightful fusion of Mediterranean flavors, Balkan traditions, and Italian influences. Fresh, locally sourced ingredients take center stage, resulting in dishes that are both flavorful and satisfying. From savory pastries to hearty meat dishes and fresh seafood, Albanian cuisine is sure to tantalize your taste buds. One dish you must try is Berat, a savory pastry made with flaky phyllo dough and filled with various ingredients such as cheese, spinach, or meat. Another Albanian classic is tavikosi, a baked lamb dish with yogurt and rice, known for its creamy texture and rich flavor. For a truly authentic experience, seek out fagese, a traditional dish made with peppers, tomatoes, and cottage cheese, often served as a dip with bread. Albania's coastal location ensures an abundance of fresh seafood. Indulge in grilled octopus, succulent prawns, or freshly caught fish, seasoned with aromatic herbs and a drizzle of olive oil. To accompany your meal, sample some local drinks such as raki, a strong grape brandy, or Albanian wine, which has been gaining recognition for its quality in recent years. Navigating your Albanian adventure practical tips. Getting to and around Albania is relatively easy, with a growing tourism infrastructure. The country's main international airport is Tirana International Airport, located just outside the capital city. Several airlines offer direct flights from major European cities. Once you're in Albania, you'll find a variety of transportation options available. The best time to visit Albania is during the shoulder seasons of spring, April to May, and fall, September to October, when the weather is pleasant and the crowds are smaller. Summer, June to August, is peak season, with warm temperatures and sunny skies, but expect more crowds and higher prices. Winter, November to March, can be cold and wet, especially in mountainous areas, but it's a great time to experience Albanian culture and hospitality. Albania offers a range of accommodation options to suit every budget, from budget-friendly hostels to charming guest houses and luxurious hotels. In recent years, Airbnb has also become increasingly popular, offering unique and affordable accommodation options. When it comes to language, Albanian is the official language, but English is widely spoken, especially in tourist areas. The Albanian lek is the official currency, but euros are also widely accepted. Beyond the tourist trail, hidden gems and offbeat experiences. While Albania's main tourist attractions are certainly worth visiting, venturing off the beaten path will reward you with hidden gems and unforgettable experiences. From breathtaking natural wonders to charming villages frozen in time, Albania offers a wealth of opportunities for exploration and discovery. One such hidden gem is the Logara Pass, a winding mountain road that offers breathtaking views of the Albanian Riviera. Stop at one of the roadside cafes and soak in the panoramic vistas of turquoise waters, secluded beaches, and rolling hills. For a truly unique experience, visit the Blue Eye of Theth, a hidden natural wonder. This mesmerizing natural spring with vibrant blue waters, surrounded by untouched wilderness, is a great spot for a refreshing swim after a long trek. Legend has it that the spring gets its name from the blue eye of a dragon that once lived in the nearby mountains. History buffs will be fascinated by the Apollonia Archaeological Park, home to the ruins of an ancient Greek city founded in the 6th century BC. Explore the well-preserved ruins of temples, theaters, and other structures, and imagine life in this once thriving city. For an authentic taste of Albanian hospitality, consider staying in a traditional guest house in the Albanian Alps. These guest houses offer a glimpse into the local way of life and provide an opportunity to experience the warmth and generosity of the Albanian people. Responsible travel in Albania. As Albania's tourism industry continues to grow, it's important to travel responsibly and minimize our impact on the environment and local communities. Here are a few tips for responsible travel in Albania. Respect the local culture and customs. Albania has a rich cultural heritage, so it's important to be respectful of local customs and traditions. Support local businesses. Whenever possible, choose to stay in locally owned accommodations, eat at local restaurants, and buy souvenirs from local artisans. Conserve water and energy. Be mindful of your water and energy consumption, especially in areas where resources may be scarce. Minimize your waste. Pack light, bring reusable water bottles and bags, and dispose of waste properly. Leave no trace. When hiking or exploring natural areas, be sure to leave no trace of your presence. By following these simple tips, we can help ensure that tourism benefits local communities and that Albania's natural beauty is preserved for generations to come. Pack your bags. Albania awaits. Albania, with its captivating blend of history, culture, and natural beauty, is a destination that will leave a lasting impression. From the bustling streets of Tirana to the tranquil beaches of the Albanian Riviera, this Balkan gem offers a wealth of experiences for every type of traveler. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or cultural immersion, Albania has something to offer everyone. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, book your flights, and get ready to discover the magic of Albania. With its warm hospitality, stunning landscapes, and rich history, Albania is a destination that will capture your heart and leave you wanting more. If you enjoyed this travel guide, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.